Esther, are you scooping out soup? Show Mommy how you scoop out soup with the teacup. And give it to Mommy. Can you show me? Show me how you scoop it out. Show me. Good girl, and give it to Mommy. Good girl. Yeah. Can you do it one more time? Oh, that's the dump truck. Here. Can you scoop out the soup? Can you scoop it out? Good girl. You say yes. Oh, now you're putting it in the dump truck. Yes. Oh, you're putting the noodles in. Are you making a noodle soup? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. Don't forget to put the top on. Good girl. Don't forget to shake it up. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You're shaking it up. Hey, Dada. She wants to feed you some noodle soup.
I was trying to be all quiet so I could take the thing and videotape you guys.
She wants to feed you some noodle soup.
Can I have some soup, Esther? Can I have some soup? Oh, look at that smile. Can I have some? It's crazy.
I know. You have to clean up a little.
Have some soup, chicken? Ah, you're so happy. Can I have some soup too? Good girl. Dip it in, get a good big amount, and go.
She wants to do it for Dada.
Good girl. I love you.